A man with two identities. A country with one question. Who is Vusi, really? When a South African activist is found holding an Eswatini ID, the mystery unravels into a web of political intrigue, cross-border secrets, and a system that may be hiding more than it reveals. This is not just a case of mistaken identity, it's a story that challenges the very definition of citizenship, loyalty, and truth. Welcome to Skybridge, where every document has a story and every silence speaks volumes. Vusimuzi Kat Matlala, a high-profile South African businessman accused of corruption, fraud, and violence, was found to hold an Eswatini national ID under the name Delemani. That ID lists him as the second-born son of Christina Thembi Shangwa of McCain. Yet Shangwa's actual second child is someone else, and no father is recorded. The photo on the Eswatini ID matches Matlala's public image, and obtaining an Eswatini ID normally requires an unabridged birth certificate proving Mswati parentage or a stringent foreigner application process. This anomalous registration has prompted questions about how Matlala bypassed the usual verification steps for citizenship. Matlala remains in custody at Kogosi Mampiru Correctional Facility, facing charges that include attempted murder, money laundering, and AR360 million SAPS health tender fraud. During a Durban press briefing, SAPS leadership implicated Police Minister Senzo Mchunu in corrupt dealings with Matlala claims Mchunu denies. Matlala's trial continues, with co-hosts including his wife Sakani recently granted bail, Musa Kakana, and T.G. Floyd Mabust. Here's a concise overview of Matlala's illicit activities. Corruption and tender fraud flagged in the Tembisa hospital. Scandal after whistleblower Babita Diakaran exposed his shell companies. He bagged a 36 million police tender, later revoked and secured AR 360 million. SAPS contract amid procurement irregularities. Orchestrating violence, linked to an assassination squad, including the 2022 murder of DJ Somebody and his bodyguards shot 48 times and suspected of managing hitmen through an organized crime network. Attempted murder plot, charged over a 2023 assassination attempt on his ex-partner, actress Tebogo Thobi Jane. Investigators uncovered 120,000 laundered via fraudulent invoices to fund the attack. Money laundering and conspiracy. Faces charges of money laundering, fraud, and conspiracy to commit murder, with probes revealing layered shell companies and fake invoices used to obscure illicit payoffs, weapons, and prison infractions. Raids on his homes and offices uncovered unlicensed firearms, linked to his private security firm, and a smuggled cell phone was later seized in his prison cell, pointing to ongoing command from behind bars. That's it for today's deep dive, but the story doesn't end here. It all happens under the African National Congress, the so-called Liberation Party in South Africa. What a shame. If this case stirred something in you, share your thoughts, theories, or questions. Let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to subscribe to Skybridge for more stories that challenge, confront, and connect. And if you believe in truth, accountability, and the power of storytelling, spread the word. One share could spark a movement. Until next time, stay curious, stay critical, and never stop asking the hard questions. Bye.